What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. Alright, so today I am bringing you my night skin routine, and basically I'm going to be focusing on makeup removal because that's normally when I go ham with my night skin routine, when I'm removing my makeup. Because if I don't remove my makeup properly, literally this is the same for everybody, your skin will react badly. I don't know anybody who slept with a face full of makeup and woken up and things were just top-notch, a-okay, as if nothing happened. Especially if they do it time and time again, it starts to affect your face. And it also applies when you do remove your makeup but you don't do it properly. Do you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to remove my makeup, and also just like a night skin routine. Obviously the removal products are what I don't focus on when I don't have makeup on, but normally when I go ham is when I'm taking off a full face. So yeah, without any further ado, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know by liking and subscribing to my channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's hop straight into this night skincare routine. So before we get started, I did this in my other video. If you haven't seen my daily morning skincare routine, I just do want to say to you guys that I've got dry skin, right? I've got dry, clear skin. What I mean by that is I very rarely break out. I do have a pimple right up here, and I did have a scar from before, but I very rarely break out. I don't want to come on here, like I said in my other video, and make you guys feel as if these are the products that changed my life. They're not. I have got a family that does not have any sort of acne, any sort of breakouts, anything like that. Both my mother and father have fairly clear skin, and yeah, I don't want you guys to think that these are acne products or anything like that. These are products that I use for my dry, sensitive skin. I've got eczema prone, sensitive skin. That's all. So yeah, I did want to get that out the way just so that you guys are aware. So guys, I will not even lie to you guys. My night skin routine has gotten more extensive over the past 2 to 3 weeks. I've added quite a few more products, and I used to only use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products before, but now I've added like another 4, and that's only because I recently started playing around with the Chick Cosmetics skincare line, and I loved it. I fell in love instantly. So there is a way to keep it simple, and I will tell you like what the simple steps are. But the more extensive ones I like to do, especially just to make me feel a little more feminine, a little more well taken care of, extra, you know, like that feeling is basically why I like skincare. Just feeling like you're doing a bit more, you know. I like skincare because of that. So yeah, before it used to be super simple, but now it's a little more extensive, and I like it. I like the way it is, I like the way it treats me, and I like the products that I am using. So I will be showing you cutaways of me removing this face bead so that you can see just a demonstration of what I'm talking about. So the first thing I do is I remove the makeup, right? There are so many things that you can use that are on the market for this step. You can use a micellar water, you can use an oil cleanser, you can use so many things to remove the actual makeup. But I like to use wipes, and I only use one brand of wipes. I haven't tried the Neutrogena wipes. I know some people use actual baby wipes, but I use the Johnson's Fresh Hydration Micellar Cleansing Wipes. These are the GOAT, and I use the pink ones. I love these because they are so good. Like, they are so good. The reason why I'm saying they're so good is because, first of all, they do not leave my skin feeling dry. They've just got this layer of, it's not oil, but like moisture, that even if you remove all of your makeup and even use 2 of these wipes, you will not feel like your face is super dry. I never have to use 2. No matter the beads, no matter the eyeshadow, no matter the heaviness, no matter the layers, I always only tend to use 1 wipe. These are so good. And also the effort, very low effort. I can remove eyeliner, mascara, crazy things like that with this wipe, and it actually does go off. these are really good. So I really do recommend these if you're having trouble with your wipes, if your wipes are just not doing the trick, literally anything. I really do recommend these wipes. And then to cleanse my skin, I use another Johnson's product. Now this is something that I switch up a lot. I like the Johnson's range of cleansers. They've got so many cleansers and I always regularly try them out. I had another cleanser, a Johnson's one, in my morning skincare routine, and this time I picked up the Daily Essentials Nourishing Face Cream, and it's for dry skin. I picked this up and I like this one. It's creamy and it's really good for my skin, you know what I'm saying? So I don't think I'm gonna go back to the other one. I love the other one, don't get me wrong. I do recommend it still, but this one is really nice for dry skin, because I noticed that even when I rinse my face with water, it never feels super dry. You know, when you've taken cleanser or any sort of soap off of your face, you normally have that rub that happens and like your face feels dry. This doesn't happen because of how creamy this product is. And yeah, I really enjoy this. It even has little exfoliating buds in there. I love exfoliation. It's literally my jam. I love it. The cleansing wipes do get a lot of makeup off, but this even goes further, and I enjoy just how my skin still doesn't feel dry even though I used a cleanser. Now this step is super important when you are removing your makeup, and it is to tone. The main reason why I think that toning is essential, I would never remove my face and just leave it at that, or just remove my face with wipes then with a cleanser and leave it at that. I need to tone, and the reason I need to tone is because it gets rid of any hidden makeup, especially in your eyes, especially your base. It gets rid of stuff that's hiding. So I use this toner by Aloe Unique. I talked about it in my other video. I love it even for removing makeup and at night. It's the clarifying facial toner, and it is a revitalizing spray. So basically what you use this for is you take it onto a cotton pad and you remove the rest of your makeup. Not only do you remove excess makeup that's hidden, you also do neutralize your pH. I am always shook at just how much makeup is still on my face even after double cleansing. And yeah, I love this Aloe Unique. It's really good, and it is a South African brand. So I will leave all the details for all the products that I am showing you down below if you are interested. And then what I go in next with is a serum. I love using serums, so much so that I use two now. So the very first one I use is something that I did show in my last video. It is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Capsule in Serum, and mine is already almost done. That's my only pet peeve with this Neutrogena serum. It finishes so quickly, but it is really good. So I use serums for hydration. Like I said, I've got dry skin, so this one really does boost the hydration. It boosts the job of the moisturizer. It basically helps my moisturizer, and this used to be my second last step. Then I used to go and finish off with the moisturizer, but obviously, like I said, I have added more products to my routine. This is what I use for hydration, and then just to give my skin an extra glow, the second serum I use is the Glow Boost Serum, and it is a brightening boost from Chic Cosmetics. I love this. It smells like citrus. It's really nice. I enjoy the thickness. I like the serum. I like how tacky it is after I use it. I just really enjoy this. This isn't necessarily to aid my dry skin. It's more just to help with the glow and to also help with hyperpigmentation. And I like it. So yeah, I've just noticed that this is really nice, smells good, and helps me with any sort of hyperpigmentation. Not the biggest difference, but I just like it. You know when you just use something because you just like it? That's this. I really enjoy this, and I like the way it leaves my skin feeling. And then this used to be the last step of my routine, but it's not anymore. It is moisture. So I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream even at night. I use this morning and night. Love it. Love it in combination with the serum. Alone, I don't feel like it does boost, you know, but the boost from the Hydro Boost actually works. So I love this combo. I will always recommend this combo to dry skin girls, and yeah, I love it. So all the girls who have dry skin who are asking what is the moisturizer that you use, I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, and not the water cream, the gel cream. And then this is a step that literally the products from Chick Cosmetics introduced me to. I would have never in my entire life gone and purchased an eye cream, mainly because I don't necessarily think I need one. But then I started using this one from Chick Cosmetics. It's the I Dare You Moisture Cream, and the moisture in this actually really helps me with puffiness. When I wake up or after a hot shower mainly, I normally have very puffy eyes. The moisture from this actually helps. It's something that I didn't really care about because I always just thought it was just part of having hooded eyes, but the puffiness actually really does go down. However, I am thinking about getting an eye cream that helps with hyperpigmentation, because I noticed that when I color correct, I do actually go underneath my eyes. So I do think that this is something I'm going to use for the puffiness, and then I'm going to go on the lookout for something to aid the darkness under my eyes. It's nothing crazy. I don't think I've got crazy hyperpigmentation, you know, underneath my eyes, but there is something there. I do have to color correct sometimes, so I do think that I will be using a second eye cream as well. And then this is fully my favorite step of my skincare routine ever. Like, I don't know how I survived without a face oil. Obviously I've got dry skin. Why don't I ever look into a face oil? So I've got this one by Chick Cosmetics. It's the Pine Face Oil. The only thing I will say about this is the fragrance is a bit much. I don't know. I mean, I know it's a pine face mask, but it is a bit strong, you know. So the first couple of times I used it, I was like, oh, this smells a bit strong, but it actually is really nice. I do actually enjoy this. It doesn't dry up my skin. Normally things with fragrance have a lot of alcohol, so they dry up my skin, but this actually does the opposite. Not because of the alcohol, but because of the product itself. It is a face oil, so this is basically another layer of moisture. It smoothens and it gives a glow, and I will say yes, it does. I love the way my skin looks after using the face oil. I think that a face oil in conjunction with a good moisturizer is just so nice. I like glowy skin. I like looking like I just had a fresh facial. I like that. So this is nice. It also has a drop applicator just like the serum, and yeah, super hygienic, and I love it. I really like it. And then last but not least is a mist. All right, so this is the Chick Cosmetics Rose Melon Hydrating Mist. So it is to balance and to tone. You could use this for a toner. You could use this as just a finishing mist. I love it as a finishing mist. I've already got a really good toner, so I always use this as a finishing, just to, you know, finish off the skincare. Like I said, skincare for me is super fun. I love just the luxury vibe that skincare gives me. So I like stuff like this. I like just a hydrating mist. Let's go. So I wrap everything up with this. I really like this. I do recommend it. I love the way that the product sprays out. It's literally, I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see, but it like fans out and it's super gentle. I love this. It doesn't like shoot out. It makes me feel like I did something. Like, I just love the way it makes me feel. So yeah, I do recommend this just to, you know, add to your skincare routine. And yeah, that's basically everything that I use. So there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you out just as insight into what I do to properly remove my makeup and properly take care of my skin. And yeah, that is my night skin routine. If you have not watched my day or my morning skin routine, then I will link it down below. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.